Enter the Large Hadron Collider.
According to the Guinness Book of World Records, the Large Hadron Collider is the biggest machine on the planet.
This thing is huge. It's a 27-kilometer underground ring located at a CERN facility near Geneva, Switzerland.
The reason the Large Hadron Collider is so large is because it has one task: to destroy the smallest particles possible so we can better understand how they work.
The LHC is a really big particle accelerator. Basically, it's a bunch of magnets strung together that accelerate subatomic particles to near light speed, so we can literally smash them together and see what they break up into, so that we understand what the fundamental building blocks of those particles are.
The protons and electrons that the Large Hadron Collider work with are so tiny that the task of making them collide is akin to firing two needles 10 kilometers apart with such precision that they meet halfway. And how the Large Hadron Collider does this is incredible.
The LHC needs a really high vacuum environment so the subatomic particles don't interact with matter. If the subatomic particles were allowed to interact with matter, they'd be annihilated and lost. So within the LHC ring, there's a tube that is kept at very high vacuum that the particles travel in. Subatomic particles can be accelerated in rings like the LHC or by linear accelerators. In a linear accelerator, we accelerate the particles in a line rather than around a ring. And linear accelerators really help us to get the particles up to speed before we inject them into a ring. The LHC has two linear accelerators, LINX3 and LINX4, which produce the particles and inject them into the large LHC ring.